Hello everyone, my name is Anupama AH and I am a tarot card reader and angel card reader. And I have done a course on meditation on forgiveness, meditation on chakra healing and chakra balancing. So a little bit of explanation about chakra healing and chakra balancing and meditation of forgiveness is all about chakra healing and chakra balancing. As you may be aware of that we have 7 chakras in our body, and we may feel some blockages or some kind of lack in ourselves due to chakra blockages. So you need to do a specific meditation for that, and you need to go under a specific healing therapy for that, to unblock your chakras and to evolve yourself as a better human being. So it's all about chakra healing and chakra meditation. If you want to know about more about this, you can DM me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Okay. And what is about meditation on forgiveness is, it's basically you need to forgive yourself and the others for your well-being. So in a life we come across with lots of people, those who are jealous of us and those who are selfish and those who are not doing good in their life, but they want to pull back you from doing good or doing something great in your life. So we may face all these situations on daily basis, and you may feel that you are stuck in somewhere and you are not progressing, or you may feel the feeling of guilt, or you may feel uh, bad about yourself because those people are around you, those who are creating a nonsense or some kind of negative energy around you to feel bad about yourself in your life. So these all are included in the to letting go of all these process, included in this step by step meditation of forgiveness. So, if you want to know more about the forgiveness meditation, you can DM me, and you can DM me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. And as the other YouTubers as say, please subscribe to my channel. I am also telling you, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And today I am giving readings to my clients. These are paid and free readings as well. Yes, you heard it right, it's a free readings also. So those two lucky winners are here, and they have got a free reading from my end, because they have fulfilled all the terms and conditions of my, like conditions, like following my page and following my page on FB and following my profile, my page on Instagram. Okay. And yeah, and to get this free readings, only following is not enough. Like, I know people will follow, people do follow and unfollow the game in Instagram. So those kind of attitude, or those kind of negativity or negative energies in a tarot term are not be considered here for a free reading. Those who are in my profile in more than 6 months, they are those two lucky winners are here for free readings. Okay. Okay, so without wasting much time, I will take a readings for them one by one. And if you are new to my channel, this may be something weird to you. But if you are an old subscriber, you may know that to maintain the privacy of the members, I have a different criteria, different method, that I share the token number with you guys. So those who have asked the questions, paid or free, I I have shared a token number with them, so as reading is based on token number because to maintain the privacy. Okay, so here today I have a classic Rider White deck I'm using, and I have my favorites of oracle cards here. This is Work Your Light oracle deck, and this is my all-time favorite angel guidance, daily angel guidance cards. Okay, so whichever I drawn to, I will use in these both oracle decks, and for the questions I am using as usual the deck. Okay, so first question I will take from token number 61. 61. Okay, so the question is related to relationship. Okay, if the other person is interested or not, or other person's feelings towards the querent. So token number 61. Okay, so little bit of prayer here before starting. Okay, so we see the feelings of this person towards you. Okay, so I'm taking 3 cards. Okay, so while shuffling, this card flipped out. So the feelings towards you is like this person is kind of kind of emotional, but he is very he's not so much of expressive. So he is taking his own time. Maybe he has some other issues, so he is taking his time. So better you have to wait for some time. Okay, and otherwise rest everything is good. Okay, and I have received this card for you in a future or response for this as a angel guidance here. Like what it means is this is the justice card, and it's a major arcana card. So whenever we receive major arcana card, so for any questions in major questions related to relationship or anything, so that work will be done. So as this card is a justice card, so that work will be done. So he will contact you, or he will express his love or feelings, true feelings towards you. But this is a major arcana card, so everything will be like you need to wait again. Like this is a slow moving card and this is a major arcana, so combination of this two will make then this thing will happen, but it will take its own time. So whenever we receive major arcana here also, all together, what is the guidance for you in this position, this card appears. This is a sun card, this is a very positive card, so nothing to worry. And here is a combination of two cards of major arcana, so everything will take its own time. Okay, and don't make any decisions in a hurry worry. So everything will take its own time, own phase. So let the universe do its work towards you. And yeah, I can say that you need to wait for some more time and give give some time to this person also and to your relationship also, and don't make any hurry burry to meet him or to call him or anything, because he is taking his own time and you need to give that time or space to him. And I also received this card here, but as a reverse card. So this is a three of cups, and I received as a reverse card. So you have to ask some of your friends, those who are mutual to both of you, and you need to get their help to solve this issue. It may help you to solve this issue if you want to do everything in a hurry burry. Otherwise you need to give a time, because major arcana cards represents our karmas. So maybe your past karmas, or not necessarily about your past birth, but karma all related to your work. Maybe you have done something wrong to someone, or you have hurted someone's emotions. So maybe that's the reason you are not doing well in your relationship. So you need to do the meditation, you need to do the affirmation, you need to send messages to universe regarding your well-being in a relationship, so that universe will help you back. Okay, so all you need to do is to clear your to cleanse your aura, and you need to do daily meditation and send a positive affirmation to the universe regarding your relationships, so that you can get back to it. Okay, thank you so much for participating in the contest and winning the reading. Okay, and with this I'm moving to the next question. Okay, so next one is token number 62. Token number 62, and your question related to a job. Okay. Okay, so your question related to job is, we'll see what holds for you. Okay. As you said, you are a fresher and you wanted to know about your job. So you have not mentioned me about have you given any interviews, or your how are you preparing for your interviews, or still you are studying? Nothing is mentioned, only you said you are a fresher. Okay, so here I have received this, and you asked me about the time frame. So time frame is like it will take 1 year, because I have received these cards. These are pentacle cards, and pentacle cards in a time frame reflects the slow motion of the event. So maybe it will take a 1 year, or within 1 year also it will be it will. And here I have received this card. This is a king of cups, and cups represents the emotions. So mainly maybe your emotions also little bit disturbed here. So you need to take care of your emotions, like you don't worry about that. I have already completed my course and I'm not getting job. So don't take such kind of tension or depressions, because you know the situation outside, right? uh, this In this condition, like since 1 year everyone is working from home, and most of people, those who were working, lost their job due to COVID and the cost cutting situation in a company. So most of the companies are not hiring any freshers nowadays, so they are taking a step back. So you need to calm down yourself, and you need to be clear in your mind that uh, this situation will be there for next 1 year. So maybe within 1 year you can get a good job, or your desired job, or it will take some time. So don't worry. And what you can do is, just do some research on your study work, and if you can start a freelance, because if you can start a business, or if you can start any freelance as a side hustle, you can go for it, okay? And don't take too much of stress. And here I will take a angel guidance for you. We'll see what's angel guidance holding for you for your job. You need to be patient. Have patience right now. Okay. So angel guidance for, yeah. So see, I was telling, by seeing the cards, I was expressing the thought that you should uh, consider about starting a side hustle, or starting a business. So angel guidance also I have received the entrepreneur card. So what this card represents, as the name you already know that entrepreneur, what is mean entrepreneur. So self employment suits your disposition and intentions. Working for yourself allows you to better follow your intention and divine guidance. See, this is the guidance you are getting from angels. Touch wood and start your work. Okay. Thank you so much, angels, for the guidance. Okay, so I hope you have got your answers. Thank you so much. If you have any other queries, do contact me. Okay, thank you so much. And next one is 63, regarding a government job. Okay, we'll see what holds for number 63. For regarding government job. Okay, one card flipped out. Please. Okay, so regarding a government job, right? Okay, position cards I'm taking. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. It will take some time. You said that you have already returned, or yeah, something related to written exam, something about your selection process of some exam. So it will take some time. As here also I have received some uh, major arcana cards here. So you will get that job, no worries. So this is a justice job and sorry, justice card, and justice card represent you will get that, but there is a delay from the higher authorities. Yeah, it's clearly visible through this card that there is a delay of uh, selection process in this because of the higher authorities, or maybe related to the current scenario. We considering a current scenario, they are putting the positions in a hold. So don't worry, don't take stress, but you need to what positions, like what position or a condition card is like. I have received this world card as a reversed card here, so you will get this opportunity, don't worry, but it will change your whole your life or altogether. Maybe you will receive the posting in different area. You have to if you are looking for a such kind of job, you have to be very clear and you have to be focused and you need to be prepared well for the postings also, as you know well. So maybe it will change all your scenarios, you may get posted to different city, so basically it will change your world completely, but it will be a new beginning for you, so don't worry. And other thing is, other than that, there is nothing to worry. I have received this card as a reversed. This card as a upright, it means taking too much of tension or family burden, family problems, or financial issues, anything. But I have received this card as a reversed, so it means that you don't have any such kind of worries right now. So there is no such thing that you need to take care of your family, so that you want this job very badly or anything like that. So everything is good going on in its pace. So let the universe do work for you. Don't take too much of stress regarding this job or this posting. But I have also received one more card for your condition. What is that is, this is the Seven of Pentacles card. So what it represents is to upgrade your skills. So you need to upgrade your skills. You need to look at yourself or think about yourself, and you need to take care of yourself very well. So like, if you selected for this job, how you gonna work with other qualified or other seniors of your field. So you need to brush up your skills. So this card is representing you to brush up your skills, work on your skills. Okay, rest everything is fine. Okay, you will get this, but it's on a hold. So wait for some time. Okay, don't take stress. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. I was about to taking your name and forgot. Okay, thank you so much. And the next one is about 64, token number 64, regarding regarding wedding. So your question is about your future relationship or wedding, and about your spouse, how he will be, his financial conditions, or your relationship with him. So basically it's all about him and his financial conditions and your social life or social condition, social status of your hubby, right? But okay, so one card flipped out and have received this one. So this represents 10 of cups represents the happy family. So don't worry about too much about this thing right now. Everything is going to be okay. We'll see. Okay. We'll see now. Position cards and guidance for you. Guidance for you. Okay. Yeah, so his social life or his social status is everything will be perfectly right, perfectly okay, and right now for your in your position, I have received this card, Page of Cups. So you are waiting for some news about your wedding, but I feel that you are too young. But I don't know about how about weddings in communities. So maybe you are like in your family, if they are searching for the groom, uh, so maybe you will receive some news regarding to that, because Page of Cups related to emotions or feelings, and this Page of Cups is like pages always bring the news. So maybe whatever the news you are expecting regarding your question, maybe you are going to receive that. Maybe some align like maybe you will receive the answer like someone will approach you soon, or your family for the wedding, and altogether is about his financial status, or how will be uh, social status of your in-laws or your hubby, I mean that guy will be like, I have received in that position. It's Three of Pentacles. So Three of Pentacles is like bringing the news opportunities in a career wise or anything. And here is the Pentacles, like this was in the position of social status and everything. So Pentacles related to finances. So everything going to be good, okay, nothing to worry. It will be it will be very good, and maybe we can say that maybe any of your family friends will bring this proposal to your family, and that will be that family will be in a good position socially and financially stable family. So nothing to worry, don't worry. And yeah, I have received this major arcana card. So major arcana card, the star card, you you know that star card indicates the good position, or everything will be good with this star card association. So nothing to worry here, everything will be perfectly fine. Don't take too much of stress. Okay, stars are in your favor, stars are in your favor, so nothing to worry. Okay, keep rocking. Thank you so much, and I will get one angel guidance for you as well here. Okay, for okay. So I have received this guidance for you, creative project. So maybe you are taking too much of stress for this. Maybe in your family they are searching a groom, or If not, you are thinking too much for this, so don't take stress anything regarding to this matter. Instead of that, you should part you should take a part in some kind of creative project to keep yourself calm, or to keep yourself diverted from this matter, thinking too much from this matter. Okay, so this creative project, this card represents your soul longs to express itself in a creative ways. We are guiding you to infuse artistry and creativity into your life. Creative expressions make you feel alive and excited and reignites passion towards your life. So, see, if you are thinking too much about yours, like this situation or this imaginary, if you are thinking too much in this kind or living imaginary world, you need to break down that and you need to participate in a creative things. Take some hobbies whichever you like to, and spend time for that. Okay, so thank you so much, and wish you all good luck. Thank you. And yeah, so if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to win such free readings also. And do follow me on my Instagram, and follow like my page on Facebook. It will be very helpful. It will be like a energy exchange. So thank you so much for all the supports and love which you guys are giving on my page and on my YouTube as well. So we'll see you in our next video. If you want to take any personalized readings on call basis, on call, or on messenger, or on email, you are welcome, and all you have to do is to send DM on my Instagram.